Hey, everyone! Today we're creating something cozy scarf in CLO3D. Whether you're designing for winter collections or just want to learn some cool CLO tricks, this tutorial has you covered. Let's dive in. I've already created a garment, and I want to add a scarf to the outfit to complete the look. Alright, first things first. Let's build our scarf foundation. Select all the pattern pieces, right-click, and freeze them. We don't want to mess up the outfit. Go to Object Browser, click Add. Then select Rectangle. Create a longer rectangle for more dramatic draping. Rotate it and send it to the back side of the avatar. Select Tack to Avatar and pin the scarf to the center back of the avatar. Select the Mesh tool and select both sides of the pattern. This will solidify and strengthen it. With the help of the Mesh tool, drape the scarf around it. This will help you drape the scarf smoothly. Simulate side by side and check whether it's draping correctly or not. Now select the mesh, right-click, and choose Delete All Pins. And hit Simulate. Set thickness. Collision to around 4 so the fabric interacts more realistically. Right-click and strengthen the scarf. Want that extra designer touch? Let's add fringe. Draw one internal line, then right-click and select Offset Internal Line. Select the Both Sides option and set the offset according to your scarf's width. Right-click them, choose Cut. Hit Simulate and start shaping. Do the same on the other side as well. Time to bring it to life. Open the fabric library and pick a texture. I'm going with fur Angora because it adds some beautiful depth. I'll also add a texture to it. Oh, it's showing the back side. I'll flip it. Pop into the render window and see how your scarf turned out. Soft shadows and polished lighting really make it shine. And just like that, you've created and styled a scarf in CLO3D in under 5 minutes. If you learned something new, hit like, drop your questions in the comments, and let me know what tutorial you want next. See you soon!